Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel Xrax Call. Today we are talking about one of the biggest global technology issues of 2025, the worldwide AI chips shortage. The world is facing a resource shortage of AI chips, and this crisis is slowing down the entire AI revolution. Demand for advanced chips has exploded as companies and government race to build powerful AI models. Data centers, reports, autonomous systems, and national AI infrastructure, but that supply of high performance chips is extremely limited. One of few manufacturers in the world can produce chips below the 5 nanometer level, mainly TSMC is Taiwan, Samsung in South Korea, and a few new fabs in the United States. These factories are already booked for years because every major tech company is trying to secure as many chips as possible. Geopolitical tensions around Taiwan has made the crisis even more serious since TSMC produces nearly 90% of the world's more advanced AI chips. Even small risks in the region push government and companies to start stockpiling hardware. The panic buying is reducing global availability much faster than expected. The US-China tech war is another major reason behind the shortage. Due to export bans, China cannot buy the most powerful chips, so Chinese companies are buying huge quantities of mid-range chips instead. This has created shortage across the entire semiconductor markets, from low-end AI processors to high-end GPUs. At the same time, big tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, Apple, and rival AI labs have booked millions of chips for their future data centers. Some companies have bought entire production lines for the next 36 months, leaving smaller companies like almost no access. This shortage is now affecting good platform where GPU rental prices have increased by 300% to 500%. Many AI startups cannot launch products because they simply cannot access enough computing power. Innovation is slowing, development costs are rising, and competition is becoming unfair. Consumers are also feeling this impact. Modern phones, laptops, gaming devices, cars, and smart home gadgets all rely on AI chips. Production delays are increasing and prices are expected to rise throughout 2025 to 2026. Governments are treating this crisis as a national security threat. The US Chips Act, European Semiconductor Program, and massive Middle Eastern AI investments show how seriously countries are taking this. But export one that even with billions of dollars invested in now, semiconductor factories take years to build. The shortage will continue until at least 2027. The biggest lessons from this crisis is clear. AI computing power is most valuable resource of the modern world. The countries that control chip manufacturing will control the future of technology. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Extra School and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest update. Thanks.